Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn any black and white pic into color with ChatGPT. So if you got an old black and white photo and wish you could see it in color without using Photoshop, you can use ChatGPT to bring the photo to life, and in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how you can do it. So if your photo is old and you're not sure what the original colors were, you can ask ChatGPT, for example, what colors would someone be wearing in 1940s school photo or something like that. You can also describe likely skin tones, eye colors, and outfit from a 1920s wedding, for example. So here, I'm going to just open the ChatGPT application. So in here, I'm going to use this prompt. So I've already created one before. So this is the prompt: convert this black and white photo into a realistic color versions. Do not change the original size or aspect ratio of the image. Add appropriate natural colors based on the objects in a photo, such as natural skin tones, blue skies, green leaves, and so on. So now you can just upload the black and white photo. Click on the image icon at the bottom and choose photo. And in here, I'm going to select a photo, a black and white photo. Let's say I want to convert this one into color. Click on the photo and tap on add. Wait until the photo is uploaded. And now you can just tap on this arrow up to start creating the colorized photo. So just wait a few seconds. And after it done, your black and white photo will comes to life. So it's still creating the image and it may take a moment. It depends on your internet connection, so make sure that your internet connections are stable and good. So this is the result, and this is the before, and here is the after. So what do you think? And that's very much all. That's how you colorize any black and white photo using ChatGPT. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more AI photo hacks, and comment below whose photo you're bringing to life. Don't forget to also click on the thanks button below. Bye!